Hey guys, this is Maria from CanXida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is, should I limit starchy foods? So someone wrote me this week with this question. She seemed to experience Candida flare-ups when she noticed eating too much starch, especially after her morning oatmeal and when eating sweet potatoes. In general, plant foods are really good for our microbiome. They contain what are called prebiotic fibers. We need our gut bacteria to stay healthy and nourished so that they can focus on maintaining our gut barrier healthy and safe of invaders. Starchy vegetables can be part of a healthy diet since they offer a prebiotic called resistant starch. Some foods that are naturally high in resistant starch include green bananas, also called plantains, potatoes, oats, and cassava. Interestingly, research has shown that the way you prepare the starchy foods may change the resistant starch content. Resistant starches form when foods are cooled after cooking. This process is called retrogradation. So this basically means starches change their shape after cooking and cooling and become resistant to digestion, which can then in turn feed our microbiome. You can even reheat them and cool them again for even more resistant starch to be created. If you find that eating starch triggers a Candida flare-up, I would suggest letting these starches cool down first. You can later reheat them if you want, but this basically creates less available food for Candida and more for the bacteria in our colon to thrive. For example, if oats are usually a problem, you can try cooking them the day before and letting them cool overnight in the fridge to enjoy them for breakfast. Still, not all starch can become resistant starch, and some can feed Candida. So some individuals who are especially sensitive might need to decrease or completely eliminate these foods while dealing with Candida. If you enjoy these foods and would like to reintroduce them, do so slowly, follow the streak, and always listen to your body. Another way to feed beneficial gut bacteria is through low-starch vegetables. So if you find that starchy vegetables are problematic, focus instead on a daily consumption of these. Try adding leafy greens in smoothies, replace rice with cauliflower, or add zucchini instead of noodles or lasagna sheets. It's not about adopting a very low-carb or keto diet. Focus instead on eating the right types of carbs for you. Instead of counting carbs, try the simple 1-2-3 rule to maximize fiber intake. 1 vegetable at breakfast, 2 at lunch, and 3 at dinner. We hope this answers your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@cancida.com and we'll get back to you. At CanXida, your health is important to us.